Payment voucher. Record following payment vouchers in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited as per given instruction. 1st April 2023, cash of Rs 250 paid towards housekeeping charges to office boy. 2nd April 2023, an advance of Rs 10,000 paid to Mr. Sanjay Singh for renovation of office premises via NEFT. In Tally Prime, payment voucher is used to account all the payments made by the company by way of cash or bank. Here, in the first transaction, payment of Rs 250 made in cash, whereas advance paid to Mr. Sanjay Singh from company's bank account. Let's record these two payment vouchers in Tally Prime. To record payment voucher in Tally Prime, we should navigate to Vouchers from Gateway of Tally. Press F5 to access Payment Voucher. Here, we are already accessing Payment Voucher. Hence, F5 Payment button is not highlighted on the button panel. First transaction, cash of Rs 250 paid towards housekeeping charges to office boy. Press spacebar to select Cash Ledger account, Ledger under list of ledger accounts. Cash in hand ledger balance as 25,000 rupees debit balance. Payment made towards housekeeping charges. Press spacebar. Select ledger as housekeeping charges under list of ledger accounts. Housekeeping charges is an expense to business. Hence, ledger is configured under indirect expenses. To view ledger details, press backspace. Press Ctrl Enter. Ledger created as housekeeping charges, grouped under indirect expenses. Press Ctrl A to accept. Amount as Rs 250. Enter. Update narration. Being cash paid to office boy for housekeeping charges. Enter to accept. Next transaction, an advance of Rs 10,000 paid to Mr. Sanjay Singh for renovation of office premises. Press F2 to change date. Date as 2nd of April 2023. Payment is made via NEFT. Press spacebar to select company's bank account as HDFC Bank account. HDFC Bank account ledger having current balance of 5 lakh rupees. Press spacebar to select party name. Party name as Mr. Sanjay Singh. Amount as 10,000 rupees. Bill-wise details. Select type of reference as advance. Advance reference number as advance 001. Enter. Under bank allocations details, select transaction type as e-fund transfer. Press spacebar. Select e-fund transfer. Account number of recipient. IFS code. Bank name as Axis Bank. SWIFT code details not applicable. Instrument number, that is payment reference number. Beneficiary code if any. Remarks as advance. Email ID if required. Enter. Update narration as being advance paid. for office renovation. Enter to accept payment transaction. This way, we can record payment voucher for payment made from company's cash or bank account ledger in Tally Prime. Receipt voucher. Record following receipt vouchers in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited as per given instruction. 5th April 2023. Rupees 50,000 received in company's bank account from Suresh Kumar as short-term loan for business purpose. 8th April 2023. Rupees 6,500 credited to company's bank account on account of interest on fixed deposit balance. Receipt voucher in Tally Prime is used to record all the funds received in an organization either in cash or bank account ledger. Here in these two transactions, first transaction dated on 5th of April, 50,000 rupees loan received in company's bank account, and second transaction on 8th of April received 6,500 in form of interest directly credited to company's bank account. In both given transactions, funds have been received by organization, hence we need to record receipt voucher. To record receipt voucher in Tally Prime, we should navigate to vouchers from Gateway of Tally. Press F6, receipt. Press F2 to change date. 5th of April 2023. First transaction as receipt of rupees 50,000 in the form of short-term loan. Press spacebar. Select company's bank account as HDFC bank account. Press spacebar. Ledger available as loan from Suresh Kumar. Loan from Suresh Kumar is grouped under unsecured loans. To view ledger details, press backspace. Control Enter. Ledger name as loan from Suresh Kumar, grouped under unsecured loans. Press Ctrl A to accept. Amount as 50,000 rupees. Enter. Under bank allocations detail, press spacebar. Select transaction type as e-fund transfer. Amount as 50,000 rupees. Instrument number or payment reference number. Dated on 5th of April 2023. Bank as State Bank of India. Branch as Andheri. Received from Mr. Suresh Kumar. Transfer mode as NEFT. Remarks if any. Update narration. Being short-term loan received from Mr. Suresh. Enter to accept. Next transaction. Rupees 6,500 credited to company's bank account in the form of interest income. Press F2 to change date. 8th of April. Amount credited to company's bank account. Press spacebar to select bank account as HDFC bank account. Amount received in the form of interest. Press spacebar to select ledger as interest on fixed deposit. Amount as 6,500. Under bank allocations, select transaction type Others. Instrument number or reference number. Dated on 8th of April 2023. Bank as HDFC Bank India. Branch Andheri. Received from HDFC Bank. Remarks as interest on FD. Narration. Being interest amount credited to bank on FD balance. Enter to accept. This way, we can record receipt of funds in company's bank account using receipt voucher in Tally Prime.